Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some tips on how to keep a clutter-free bathroom. I was looking around the other day and just noticed that my bathroom was looking really cluttered in a lot of places. So I thought this would be a really fun video topic. Hopefully you guys find it inspiring. There were definitely a couple specific places I knew I needed to tackle. One was my drawer where I keep my toothpaste, deodorant, essential oils. Another thing that I noticed was a problem in my bathroom was laundry constantly on the floor. Then my vanity is completely covered in makeup. So much makeup, there's no way I use this on a daily basis. And then lastly, the shower was just getting really overrun with products. And again, I knew I wasn't using these every day. The vanity was definitely the biggest eyesore in my opinion, so I wanted to tackle this first. And the way I approached this was I only wanted to keep products out that I knew I reached for on a regular basis. I could not believe how much makeup I was storing on this open space that I just did not need to have out. It's fun to switch out your products, it's fun to try new things, but look at all this makeup that I was literally storing on my counter that I wasn't wearing. I did need to clean out this little vanity caddy, so I went ahead and took all of my products out, gave this a good wipe down, and then when I put the products back, I went ahead and wiped those down too. I am always amazed how much cleaner everything looks when it's wiped down and all of the dust is removed. So I was really pleased with the end result and so much more inspired. And then here is a quick view of the cluttered before and the so much more consolidated after. One bad habit I had was leaving my jewelry mixed in with my makeup, and things were getting tangled and it was hard to find my jewelry. So I grabbed this little tray at the Target dollar spot just to keep my little jewelry pieces in. Next, we're going to tackle this drawer. It's kind of like the everything drawer of the bathroom. For me, I store lots of lotions, face products, deodorant, toothpaste, all of my bathroom essentials basically. So I knew I needed to give this drawer a good scrub down, so I just took everything out. And then this little organizer has been so awesome in keeping my products together. I like having things divided. It just helps me visually know where everything is. But as I put things back into the drawer, I did again give them a good wipe down, and it was so nice to see this drawer. This is before. I took out things that were expired, things that I wasn't using, and just like with my makeup, I only kept out the things that I use on a daily basis, and my drawer just looks so much more clean and again clutter-free. This is how much I was able to take out of the makeup area and that drawer that I was not using on a daily basis. Now I'm going to tackle the shower. This is an area that can really quickly accumulate products for me. I like trying different shampoos, body washes, soaps. I think they're all really fun. So again, I went ahead and pulled out the empty bottles, which I was again storing in my shower, and then other products that I was not using. This is how much I pulled out. A lot of this is trash. All of the items that I'm removing were completely empty or things that I did not want to keep. So this is how much I ended up storing of things that I wanted to use later. Then to solve the laundry problem in my bathroom, which when my kids take showers and baths in here, it's even worse, I just moved a laundry hamper into one of our open spaces so that things just don't end up on the floor, and I can just move this into the laundry room and easily take care of it. Finally, I did a bathroom under the sink declutter. I'm not quite sure what I titled that video, but I will link it in the cards and in the description below if you want to see how I use bins to organize underneath my sink. And then finally, for a clutter-free space, I am so all about the visual appearance, and when things are wiped down and clean, I feel like it looks so much nicer and really helps with that clutter-free look. So I just take whatever dirty hand towel I have for that day before I change it out, and I just wipe down the mirrors with water most of the time. This is so easy, and then spray down the counters with some disinfectant spray. For me, this is a great way to help everything stay looking really clean and fresh. Well guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I would love it if you left in the comments your tips on how to keep a clutter-free bathroom. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
By the sounds I'm breathing